Hi friends, I am Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Microsoft Office InfoPath 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to launch Microsoft Office InfoPath 2007. InfoPath 2007 is the information gathering application which is the part of Microsoft Office 2007 suite. InfoPath is considered as a platform for electronic forms which stored as XML files. We can create email forms, web browser forms, and forms for mobile devices. Forms are used in every way, such as forms for expense reports, request forms, surveys, timesheets, and so on. We can integrate InfoPath with SQL Server, SharePoint Server, web services, and other Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, Access, and Outlook. To launch InfoPath, there are multiple ways. Come to Start, click on All Programs, scroll down, come to Microsoft Office. Here we can see all of the applications under Microsoft Office, and we can select Microsoft Office InfoPath 2007. Otherwise, come to search option and start typing InfoPath. Since we are typing, it will show InfoPath in programs list, and we can also create a shortcut onto the desktop by right clicking on the application. Come to Send to option. Here please select Desktop Create Shortcut. Then it will create a shortcut onto the desktop. We can double click on the shortcut to launch it. Then it will open InfoPath with Getting Started window, including different sections like form categories, open a form, design a form, and form tasks. And in the middle, it will show the files in each section. Whenever we launch InfoPath, it will show the default samples. To modify them, we can select the samples and come to form task, click on design this form option. But one thing, remember that we cannot remove the sample forms. Come to form categories. Here we will get recently used forms. At present, I didn't create any forms, that's why it is showing blank. Come to favorites, all forms, and in open a form, it will show the recently used forms. And we can also open a form from my computer. If you want to design your own form template, come to design a form template, and we can design form template or template path based on blank form, web service, database, XML or schema, and connection library. And this form template can be shared or published to gather data from users who fill out the form. When we close this, again it will come to Getting Started window. And if you want to close this, click on Close button. Again, to open this, come to File and select Design Form Template. And from this window, please select the option Customize a Sample. Then we will come into the Getting Started window. By using InfoPath, we can design and fill out XML based electronic forms. And the main advantages of using InfoPath is it will reduce the paper usage, minimize data entry errors. We can store and share the data easily. Like this, we can launch Microsoft Office InfoPath 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.